Hello students, today we shall see the practicals of Maths 2, that is Geometry of Standard 9th. We are doing practical number 1, which is on page number 44. The aim of the practical is to find the distance between 2 points on a number line. Below you can see a number line here. As we have already seen and learned in the theoretical part, that right side of the O are the positive integers and the left side we have the negative integers. Now below they have given certain one example and we have to find the distance between the 2 points. Here they have given an example, that is distance between points D and H. Now we are going to do two more examples. First is the distance between A and F. Now the coordinate of the first point, that is coordinate of A on the number line, if we go to see on the number line, the coordinate of A is 1 and the coordinate of F is 6. So let us write down coordinate of A is 1 and coordinate of the second point, that is F, is 6. We can see here coordinate of A is 1 here and coordinate of F is 6, and we have to find out the distance between A and F. Now first we have to see the bigger number. Now amongst the numbers 1 and 6, the bigger number is 6. So the next column, distance between the 2 points is bigger number minus the smaller number is equal to 5. That is 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. That is the value of x, which is considered as the distance between or the difference between the 2 points A and F is 5. Now let us go back to the number line and let us count manually the distance between A and F. We can see here A and this is F. Let us count the distance. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the distance between A and F. It is 5. So here in the table I write down here as 5. And if we consider the last column, that is the values of x and y, this x is equal to y, that is 5 each. So this is yes. Is x is equal to y? Yes, x is equal to y, where x is 5 and also y is 5. Now let us take the next distance, that is mi. Now here again if we go back to the number line, the coordinate of m, we can see here the coordinate of m is minus 6 and the coordinate of I is minus 2. So we write down here coordinate of m is minus 6 and coordinate of I is minus 2. Now amongst these two coordinates, which is the bigger coordinate? The bigger one is minus 2. So when we find the distance, what we do is we do the bigger number minus the smaller number. So the bigger number is minus 2 minus the smaller number. This will be equal to minus 2, minus and minus becomes plus, so it is plus 6 is equal to, here it's again minus and plus becomes minus, so 6 minus 2 is 4. So the bigger number sign is plus, so it is plus 4. Now from the number line, if we manually count the distance between m and I, it is 1. From m we begin, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 units, so here we write down as 4. So here we can see x is equal to y, that is whether you count by finding the coordinates, by finding the difference between the coordinates, or if you find out manually, the distance remains the same, that is x is equal to y. Is it equal? Yes. So x is equal to y. So this is how we have concluded that the distance between 2 points on a number line is greater coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. Thank you.